Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to create a master project list in Apple Notes. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Apple Notes in your MacBook. Then write down the topic, whatever you wish to. So here I am writing down the master project list or just master project. After that, tap on the table icon available in the top right corner. Then simply tap on the table to add some more row or columns according to your preferences. So after you add some columns, add some rows. So after you do all that, all you have to do is fill out the table according to your preferences again. So here I am writing down the table for my project according to my videos. So let me label the topics. So my first topic will be name of the project. After that, let's write down the due date of the project. Then let's simplify this by writing down the action or important notes. Or you can just write down the next move. And there you can write down the important notes of the project and the link of the project. Now let's write down the 2024 tech videos for my project. And you can just fill out the rest of the information. So I'm here highlighting this by tapping on this and tapping on the font, then tapping on the color I prefer. And then you can see I've highlighted it. Now I can write down the due date, or I can simply create a new note for this similar topic, 2024 tech videos, and I can make a different whole note about this and link it with that. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.